Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to add dust to our video. On the timeline I have a clip, and at first we must drag our dust footage to our timeline. You can download this footage by the link in the description. We have an audio clip, we should delete it, and our dust is a little bit smaller than our main clip, so in effect controls panel, scale put to 150. As you could see, our dust footage has green background and we must take off this green screen. So we move to effects panel and find ultra key effect. This ultra key effect drag to our dust footage. And now we are moving to effect controls panel, and in ultra key we should choose a key color and drag our mouse to our green screen and put the green color. As you could see, now we don't have our green background and our clip is with dust. Thank you for watching, subscribe to channel and have a nice day.